I will show you how to make this trending text outline effect in Premiere Pro. Select your clip and then click on the Object Mask tool. Now head over to Preview and then select your object that you want to add a text effect on. Since the object is moving, you need to track it. So head to Effects Controls and under Object Mask, click on the Track Forward and Back button. Premiere will automatically track the object. To add more objects, make sure the plus setting is enabled and then select your other object and track the mask again. Now duplicate the layer by holding Alt or Option and Mac and then drag it up 2 tracks. Now select the top layer and go to Effects Controls and drag the object mask to the opacity setting. This will isolate the object on the layer and remove the background. If you want, you can remove the mask from the bottom layer. Now select the typing tool and add some text. And to add the text behind the object, simply drag it in between the 2 layers. It's also important that the fill option is enabled and the stroke is disabled. Now to add a text outline in front of the object, duplicate the layer and then move it to the top. Now disable the fill option and then enable the stroke. You can adjust the look by switching between the stroke styles, but I recommend choosing the outer option. You can also tweak the stroke size to your liking. And you can get a different look on the text by changing the fill and the stroke color. And you have now created this text outline effect. To save time editing, check out my ultimate preset pack, link in the description.